AI is taking over tasks in 2026, but what about the skills that make us uniquely human? Skills no machine can replicate. Today, we uncover them and how to master them for a Zen future. Welcome back to Future of Work in the AI Age, our series on navigating AI's impact with calm purpose. In Episode 1, we explored jobs at risk. Now, Episode 2 focuses on the irreplaceable, skills AI can't touch. If you're ready to future-proof your career, subscribe for more episodes. Let's dive in. By 2026, McKinsey predicts AI will automate 45% of work activities, but human skills like creativity and empathy will demand 20% more. The World Economic Forum's Future of Jobs report echoes this. Emotional intelligence and critical thinking top the list. AI excels at data and repetition, but it lacks soul. These skills aren't just survival tools, they're your path to thriving in harmony with tech. Here are the top skills AI can't replace in 2026, with Zen strategies to build them. First, creativity and innovation. AI generates ideas from data, but true originality comes from human intuition. Prediction? Demand up 19% per WEF. Why? AI lacks imagination for novel problems. Zen tip? Practice do-nothing meditation, 10 minutes daily to spark your inner genius, as neuroscience shows idle minds foster breakthroughs. Next, emotional intelligence and empathy. Bots simulate responses, but genuine connection requires feeling. Gartner forecasts 80% of customer interactions AI-led, but humans handle complex emotions. Reason? AI can't read unspoken cues. Zen tip? Rediscover human value with digital detox. One day offline to rebuild empathy through real conversations. Third, critical thinking and problem solving. AI analyzes patterns, but adaptive reasoning in ambiguity is human. PwC estimates 74 million jobs need this by 2026. Why? Unpredictable scenarios stump algorithms. Zen tip? Use the 2,000-year-old Stoic trick. Daily reflection to question assumptions and beat anxiety. Fourth, leadership and collaboration. AI optimizes teams, but inspiring and uniting people needs charisma. Harvard Business Review notes leaders with soft skills thrive in AI eras. Reason? Trust and motivation are emotional, not coded. Zen tip? Master flow state, deep work sessions to enhance group dynamics without stress. Fifth, ethical judgment and adaptability. AI follows rules, but moral decisions in gray areas are ours. Deloitte predicts ethics roles surge 25%. Why? Bias in AI needs human oversight. Zen tip? Embrace meta-learning. Use AI tools to learn faster, adapting with calm purpose. Sixth, complex communication. AI translates, but nuanced storytelling persuades. Forbes highlights this as key for 2026. Reason? Context and persuasion require cultural insight. Zen tip? Slow down rushing, mindful speaking to connect deeper. And finally, lifelong learning. AI evolves fast, but self-motivated growth is human. OECD reports 1 billion need reskilling by 2030. Zen tip: quit AI news for 7 days to reclaim focus and curiosity. These skills turn AI from threat to ally. In our next episode, why specialists will lose to generalists. Which skill will you build first? Comment below. Subscribe and join our community for Zen in the AI age. New videos every Wednesday and Sunday. Stay purposeful. See you next time.